It's that time to come back in and assess, clean up, and fix one of our rentals in which tenants just recently moved out of. A father and a son lived here. They have been with us since 2020, almost 3.5 years. They moved out this past Sunday night, and it's Tuesday, but Steve and I went in there Monday, and we walked around the home to get an idea of what we will need to do next. So in assessing, I see that besides the carpets being pulled out, we need to paint walls, replace broken shades on windows, redo the vanity countertop in the master bathroom, the wall trim replaced, some window trim replaced, new locks on exterior doors, clean all the window units, scrub down all the floors, repaint kitchen cabinets, more light bulbs, replace toilet paper holders, install new carpet and padding, light fixture covers, exchange out some of the ceiling fans in the living room. That one's anemic anyway, so we need to do that. Some minor subfloor repair in the living room by the window, deep clean the home, and whatever else may need to get repaired as we put the rental back into shape. As you can see, this little kitten here followed us inside the house. I named her Midnight, and she's just wandering around smelling everything out and following Steve and I around as we assess the house. The home does smell of dog urine, and after we ripped up the carpet and the old padding, we'll spray the subfloors with a strong bleach, air it out, and then go over the floors with Kills, which is a stain and odor blocker. See how this holds up, and if it does, then the carpet will get laid down. This usually does the trick. You just roll the Kills paint over the subfloor a couple of times, let it do its magic. It's a solid product in giving you the results that it says that it'll do, and it's actually done that. After assessing the home, this will probably take us about a week to turn around, depending on how fast we want to get in there and move it. Then when everything's complete, we'll start the advertising to get the rental applications in. And sometimes I usually start that way ahead of time, just so that I have the applications, because we do have some old videos of the walkthrough of this home. We pretty much put them back the way that you see the original videos. And I'm looking around to make sure, there's no more water damage from the shower that we installed. There's some areas we need to get a little bit more watertight. And, I smell something. He says the dog never peed in the house. Well, I gotta tell you, see that corner there? The dog chewing on the wall? This room smells really bad. And the dog did pee all over it. And so that's why we're just ripping up all the carpet. I'm not gonna even worry about shampooing it. There's Midnight again. She's in there just sniffing around and checking things out like a dog would, but it's a cat. But anyways, this home is located in South Carolina, West Columbia area in a large park community. If you're interested in applying, the description box, you can follow the link to receive more information. We might even be moving this house out of this park because lot rents are going up. So we're working on a couple of other parks with owners and seeing if we can move our houses into their lots, and I think we got a bite, so I'll keep you updated on that, whether this house stays here or not. So click on the subscribe button so you can receive all of our updates and not miss a beat. And until next time, we want you to go out and make it a great day.